Namaskar dosto. I Dhruv Vijay will explain you flame. Do you know that everything that burn does not produce a flame? Only substance that vaporize burn with a flame. Kerosene rises up to the wick of a stove and vaporize before burning. The vapor burn with a flame. When a candle burns, hot molten wax rises up in the wick and vaporizes. The wax vapor burn with a flame. Charcoal does not vaporize and burn without a flame, producing a glow. When there is a sufficient supply of oxygen, the substance burn completely, producing a non-luminous or blue flame. You would have seen LPG burn with a blue flame. However, in an insufficient supply of oxygen, a flame of a yellow color is obtained. This is because of the glowing of unburned carbon atom. The flame of a Bunsen burner is blue when the air hole is open and adjusted for the right amount of air. However, if the air hole is closed, the supply of air is insufficient and the flame becomes yellow. Candle flame. A candle has two parts. The wax, paraffin wax that serve as a fuel. It is a hydrocarbon obtained from petroleum. The wick made of material that can absorb liquid. When a candle is lighted, the wax in and near the wick melts. The wick absorbs the liquid wax and pulls it upward. The heat of the flame vaporizes the wax. It is the wax vapor that burns. Why does the wick not burn? This is because when the wax vaporizes, it takes heat from the wick and cools it. This is similar to the reason and why paper cup in activity 3 does not burn. Light candle and observe its flame. You will find that it is spindle shaped and has four main regions with different color. The non-luminous zone or the zone of the complete combustion is the hottest part. See, now in the diagram you will see the first zone, which is non-luminous, is the outermost zone. It is very hot and having much supply of oxygen. Second zone, luminous zone, which is yellow in color, it is moderately hot and have inadequate supply of oxygen. Third, dark zone, which is not having any supply of oxygen and is very least hot and orange in color. Now fourth is blue zone. Here carbon monoxide is produced. See, the candle flame, it is outermost zone of the flame because of adequate supply of oxygen. Complete combustion occur. The flame appear blue, however it is very thin and may not be visible. The luminous zone or the zone of incomplete combustion is moderately hot. It is the middle zone of the flame. The wax vapor do not burn completely as a supply of oxygen is inadequate. The carbon particle produced because of incomplete combustion glow given this zone its bright yellow color. The flame leaves black soot on the object placed in the dark zone. In this zone, the dark zone or the zone of no combustion is the least hot. It is the innermost zone of the flame in the area surrounding the wick. Here the wax vapor do not come in contact with oxygen and hence do not burn. The blue zone is the small region at the base of the wick. Here, the carbon monoxide produced is the inner zone due to incomplete combustion burn with a blue color. So thank you. If you can't understand, now you can see my practical. Hello guys. In last we have done the reading of the topic flame. Now we will do practical. In this we need a candle, a stick, a matchstick and a paper. A candle has two parts, wax and wick. Now I will burn the wick. See, it is vaporizing and burning. That's why it's known as flame. Everything that do not burn have a flame because it do not vaporize. Candle flame has four zones. First zone is known as top zone, outermost zone that is non-luminous zone, which is very hot, having a full supply of oxygen. See, if I would put a paper little bit far than the flame, see, it get yellowish because it is very hot, but I have not touched the flame. Now, luminous zone. It is the second zone. It is yellow in color. It is having not In it, it is having not a proper supply of oxygen. See, it is moderately hot. When I put the stick inside it, it get black. It turn into black color because it is moderately hot. Third zone is known as dark zone. Dark zone or zone of no combustion. Here, oxygen do not react with CO2. Fourth zone or the last zone, blue zone. The It is the small region of the wick. It is blue in color. It is here carbon monoxide is produced. Thank you. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.